Okay. The flood.
The flood. It's spreading all over the city.
How do we contain it?
Find the crashed flood ship. Overload its engine core. We either destroy this city or risk losing the entire planet.
No, Marines!
Chief, make your way to the crash site.
I'll save you one Marine left. Not really, because you're most likely going to be dead. I don't really care. I just want to shoot them. Okay, if I don't like that. I kind of find it funny how I said the flood, and then immediately afterwards, Miranda.
All squads, report! Multiple contacts. Unknown hostiles. There! Over there! We're surrounded, Sergeant!
I'm not keeping this, so I don't really care that I used some of the ammo. It's hard to save those guys, but I once saved all 4 of them.
Sergeant!
Right there. This dude just jumped. These 2 are very easy to save, though. Ah, who's doing what now?
Make short work of this abomination. Doesn't it, that?
Oh, I almost forgot to grab some more ammo. There we go. Yeah, I got shotgun. Save him! Oh no! No! It's possible to save him, which is the thing that kind of sucks. Those guys just blew themselves up. I'm not accepting it. Ah, I'm gonna die. Why'd I go back to save them? I'm kidding, I still would have done it. Okay, I don't even think he hit me, but I'm dead. How'd they die? I'm sorry, but I'm too confused how they died. Because I wasn't paying attention. I missed both of those shots. Why do they keep blowing themselves up? That's the only reason I'm going back. I don't like it when Marines kill themselves in a stupid way in games. So, yeah.
Gotta get out of here.
Oh no! He was already dead, I'm 100%. Oh look, friends. You guys see movement? Something I find weird is I've never been able to replicate it, but I've saved the flamethrower dude once. Well, not the flamethrower dude. I saved some Marine up here, but I'm calling him the flamethrower dude just because I believe the flamethrower dude is the only one. But I mean, I'm not sure which Marine it was. I somehow saved the Marine once. I've never been able to do it again. And this is not a lie. Because there's no real reason.
Again and again.
No real reason to lie about it, so why would I lie? So yeah. Marines! I don't know why the game makes you stay here. Let's stay here. Also, for some reason, walking to the side is way quicker than walking forward, as you can see.
It's not safe. The grave mind, it knows about it.
I've heard a theory that that is actually the grave mind pretending to be her, and she or something like that because she has the logic plug or something like that. If you don't know what the logic plug is, go look it up. I might, probably not, but I might, but it's possible. Okay, that sucks. Oh, I've only been doing this for 5 minutes. I didn't realize that. I should have because it's really. I haven't been in the mission long, but I thought it was like a couple minutes further. Okay, no, I'm screwed. You're saying I usually abandon the flamethrower at one point. Sometime around a little bit. I usually abandon it just because it's too slow or whatever. Earlier today I was playing this just to get ready for YouTube or whatever. I don't know. I just decided to play this.
They were all infected. I could see it crawling, sliding around beneath their skin. Oh. And then they got up, started to talk. Oh God, their voices. Oh God, no, make them stop.
Okay.
I did them a favor. Yeah, that's it. I helped them. Maybe I need to help myself. Maybe I need to.
Yeah, I don't know what he means by he helped them unless he opened the door to let them in or whatever. Or something. I don't know. Like, I know they helped them somehow. I just don't know if he means I opened the door or whatever. Hey, look, dead humans.
This is the carrier, Shadow of Intent. Clear this sector while we deal with the flood.
Roar! Just saying, they usually drop 5 guys, but the weird thing is in co-op that, like, well, 2-person co-op, I'm not sure about 3 or 4-person co-op, it only drops, 3 dudes, the red dude and the 2 blue guys closest.
My brothers, I fear you bring bad news.
High charity has fallen, become a fetid hive.
The fleet? Has quarantine been broken?
This single ship broke through our line, and we gave chase.
We had a fleet of hundreds.
Alas, brother, the flood, it has evolved.
Yeah?
We have won this battle!
Where's your 5th dude? 1, 2, 3. You have a 5th dude! 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and there was a dead elite, but that. Oh, right, I abandoned it around here because of how annoying it is because I keep killing my friends accidentally. Yeah, but maybe it just didn't spawn the next video. But there was a dead corpse, but I know for a fact that that was not him because that was not their friend. And that dude just always spawns there. You can mainly tell that it's not him because he doesn't spawn as a an assault elite. He just spawns as a normal elite. That's the main reason you can tell. Also, the red elites don't have an assault elite. Well, they do, but it's only for the 4th person, the 4th player. So if you're playing 4-person co-op, the 4th person is always going to be a loser. Okay, loser. There you go. Okay, someone's stuck. Oh, never mind. It just looked like it on the minimap. I big dumb. Okay, where's the other dude? I'm not gonna go back to find him, but where? Yeah, but this is usually how much spawns in if you're playing on 2-person co-op. Not sure about 4-person, but yeah. So if you're playing on more than just two-person co-op, the third and fourth person, the third person's a blue elite, like a normal elite, like he isn't a assault elite, he's just an elite. And the fourth person is a major, which is red. Minors are blue, majors are red. Who is a minor? The third person's a minor normal elite. Then I don't know what they're called. I just call them normal elites. Not this one. Not really. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm gonna be screwed when I get the Cortana. I've never beaten that level on normal. Well, I have once, but that was co-op, so.
Chief, the elites are looking for something. We didn't believe them when they told us.
Cortana, Chief. She's on that ship. Find her. Get her up.
So, yeah, but fourth person is an assault elite, but he's a major, meaning they're red. A minor is blue. Oh no, that ain't good. Oh, wow, this mission went quicker, probably because usually I try to save all the elites. I don't know why, but I just really like keeping the elites alive. Well, the elites and the marines. So yeah, usually it takes like 30 minutes for me to finish it. But obviously, I'm not gonna go back. Did I just hear an elite yelling?
We seek the same prize. But our shipmaster was
Why won't you die?
to stop the flood.
Yeah. Shipmasters, all floods, yeah. Grenade! Another grenade! French. I don't know why I said French. Blard. Yes, you are a Blard. How'd you know? Stop hurting me. Yeah, but the red dude... Oh look, a sword. Whee! Oh, you didn't die. Oh, at least you're dead now. Jam. Oh wait, you're not an elite. I thought that was an elite. I saw the blue and thought elite? Where's the red dude? Did he die? I didn't see him die. I'm not gonna go back because I'm pretty sure it checkpointed down here, but still. Where's the red guy? I didn't see one of the dudes die. I didn't see two of the guys die, and now I didn't see the red dude die.
Nothing pass.
Something I find strange is down here, you'll see, there are 4 Spec Ops elites in here, and they're all dead.
Do not be afraid. I am peace. I am salvation.
Oh wow, I never realized the Spec Ops elites were actually assault ones. Because, like, assault? Oh wait, I think it's random generation for them to be assault or not assault. Like, see, non-assault, this dude's non-assault, and I swear the first one was an assault. But the second one was an assault. I don't understand why there are bones, like they're elite bones usually. I say that because in the mission Cortana, which we haven't got to yet, obviously, it's there's an elite skull.
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine and sing victory everlasting.
Oh, something interesting is this. Ah, monsters! Oh no, they're so hard to kill. My gosh. Oh. Thought you were just dead. Yeah, but yeah, I'm assuming they're all elite bones, just because whenever you find a skull, it's always an elite's skull. So yeah, retrieve Cortana. Okay.
Chief.
Cortana?
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on...
Cortana!
Reclaimer. I must act quickly before your construct suffers any further
Wait.
trauma.
Leave her alone.
If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs.
On Halo, you tried to kill Cortana. You tried to kill me.
Protocol dictated my response. She had the activation index, and you were going to destroy my installation. You did destroy my installation. Now I have only one function, to help you, Reclaimer, as I always should have done.
Will it live, Oracle? Can it be saved?
Uncertain. This storage device has suffered considerable trauma. Its matrices are highly unstable.
Perhaps one of our technicians.
That will not be necessary.
Chief.
Success!
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on its way to Earth, with an army of Flood. I can't tell you everything. It's not safe. The Gravemind, it knows I'm in the system.
It's just a message.
Let it play.
But it doesn't know about the portal, where it leads. On the other side, there's a solution, a way to stop the Flood, without firing the remaining Halo rings. Oh! Hurry, Chief. The Ark. There isn't much time.
I'm sorry.
No matter, Oracle. We've heard enough. Our fight is through the portal. With the brutes and the bastard truth.
Fine. We'll remain here. Hold out as long as we can.
Did you not hear? Your world is doomed. A Flood army, a Gravemind, has you in its sights. You barely survived a small contamination.
And you, shipmaster, just glassed half a continent. Maybe the Flood isn't all I should be worried about.
One single Flood spore can destroy a species. Were it not for the Arbiter's Council, I would have glassed your entire planet.
Sir, with respect, Cortana has a solution.
Cortana? Did you see her condition? How damaged she is? She could be corrupted for all we know. Her solution could be a Flood trap.
We should go through the portal. Find out for sure.
What we should do, Commander, is understand, clearly, that this is humanity's final stand. Here, at Earth. We go, we risk everything. Every last man, woman, and child. If we stand our ground, we might just have a chance.
No. If your construct is wrong, then the Flood has already won.
I'll find Cortana's solution. And I'll bring it back.
Earth is all we have left. You trust Cortana that much?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Well, this is either the best decision you've ever made or the worst. Hell of it is, Chief. I doubt I'll live long enough to find out which.
Something that's never been explained to me is how what happened to that portal. Also, as we already know, High Charity doesn't get there. Halo 4 and 5 are proof of that. It doesn't matter if I tell you now, so I'm gonna tell you. It actually, is, close to Mars. Mars has, settlements on it. It wasn't close enough to infect Mars, but it was pretty close. But then it just slipped spaced away. Yeah, but, yeah. But, I don't know why I just went down. You'll see the State of Decay 2 Juggernaut Edition now. Oh, yeah, crap, I forget what I was gonna say. This is what I was gonna say, I'm just gonna say it now. When I saw those 3 elites, I was thinking that those were the 3 elites that came down to help. I know they weren't, I just thought that in my head. No reason. Well, nothing else to say. If I remember what I was gonna say, I'll mention it in, next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.